In a small village nestled between rolling hills and vibrant meadows lived an old clockmaker named Elias. His workshop was filled with ticking clocks of every size and shape, from grandfather clocks to tiny pocket watches. People came from far and wide to have their clocks fixed. But Elias's true passion was something deeper. He was fascinated by time itself. One rainy afternoon, a young traveler entered the shop. She seemed restless, her eyes darting around as if searching for something she couldn't find. "I want to stop time," she said quietly. "I want to hold on to moments so they never slip away." Elias smiled gently. "Time is a gift, but it's not meant to be stopped," he said. "It's meant to be lived, moment by moment." The traveler looked doubtful. "But what if I miss something? What if I'm not fast enough to catch happiness before it's gone?" Elias took a deep breath and led her to a small wooden box on a dusty shelf. "This," he said, "is a gift for you, but it's not what you think." She opened the box carefully and found a simple hourglass inside. "It's just an hourglass," she said. "Oh, but watch closely," Elias replied. They sat together as the sand slowly slipped from the top bulb to the bottom. The traveler felt the seconds passing, steady and calm. "What am I supposed to see?" she asked. "That each grain is like a moment," Elias said. "Some fall quickly, some linger, but each one is precious. You can't stop the sand, but you can choose how to live as it falls." The traveler sighed. "It feels impossible." Elias chuckled. "That's because most people rush through life, always looking ahead or behind. But real life happens only in the present." Days passed. The traveler stayed in the village, helping Elias repair clocks and learning from his quiet wisdom. She practiced noticing the little things: the sound of rain tapping on a window, the warmth of sunlight on her skin, the smile of a passing stranger. She began to see that happiness wasn't a destination to reach or a time to save. It was a feeling born in the present, in small, simple moments. One morning, as she walked through the meadow, the traveler stopped to watch a butterfly flutter across a flower. For the first time, she didn't think about where it was going or how fast. She just was, fully present, fully alive. When she returned to Elias, she smiled. "I think I understand now." Elias nodded. The gift of the present moment is the most valuable gift we have. It's always with us, waiting to be noticed. Before she left the village, Elias gave her the hourglass. "Carry this with you," he said, "not as a way to control time, but as a reminder to live it." The traveler held the hourglass close and felt a calm she hadn't known before. Moral of the story: We often chase the future or dwell on the past, forgetting that life unfolds only now. The present moment is a gift, simple, fleeting, and full of possibility. When we stop rushing and start noticing, we unlock the true joy of living.